Welcome back to channel name. If you're on the hunt for the best belt sander, you're in the right place. Whether you're a woodworking pro or tackling a weekend project, the right belt sander can make all the difference in achieving smooth and precise finishes. In today's video, we'll be reviewing 4 of the top-rated belt sanders available on Amazon: Makita 9400 34x24 belt sander, Wen corded belt sander, Skill belt sander, and Craftsman belt sander. Stick around as we break down the features, pros and cons of each tool to help you find the perfect match for your needs. And don't forget, all product links are conveniently placed in the description box and pinned in the first comment below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Let's jump right in. Makita 9400 34x24 belt sander. The Makita 9403 is widely regarded as one of the most powerful and efficient belt sanders on the market. With its 11-amp motor, it's built to handle even the toughest sanding tasks effortlessly. One standout feature is its super quiet operation, producing just 84 decibels of noise, making it ideal for prolonged use without the usual fatigue. Its large front grip and wide belt surface ensure maximum control and efficiency, whether you're working on hardwood floors or furniture pieces. The Makita 9403 is perfect for professionals and serious dyers alike. Want to check it out? Click the link in the description or first comment to grab yours now. Wen corded belt sander. The Wen corded belt sander combines affordability with solid performance, making it an excellent choice for beginners and budget-conscious buyers. Its 7-amp motor provides enough power to tackle various sanding tasks, from smoothing out rough edges to finishing delicate surfaces. This sander's adjustable belt tracking system ensures precision, while its lightweight design makes it easy to handle for extended periods. It's a reliable option for small to medium projects. Curious about this budget-friendly gem? The product link is waiting for you in the description and pinned comment. Skill belt sander. The Skill belt sander stands out for its innovative pressure control system, which helps you maintain optimal sanding pressure for consistent results. Powered by a 6-amp motor, this sander is versatile and easy to use. It also features a microfiltration system to capture fine dust particles, keeping your workspace clean and safe. With its auto belt tracking system, you won't have to worry about constant adjustments. Whether you're working on floors, furniture, or wooden panels, the Skill belt sander offers dependable performance. Want to learn more? Check the description for the link to grab yours today. Craftsman belt sander. The Craftsman belt sander is built to last, offering excellent durability and precision. Its 7-amp motor provides enough power to sand tough surfaces effortlessly, while the adjustable speed settings let you customize its performance for different materials. The angled belt design allows you to sand close to edges and walls, making it a versatile tool for detailed projects. Plus, its dust collection bag minimizes cleanup time. This sander is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to invest in a reliable, high-performance tool. Check out the product link in the description to see more details and grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching our in-depth review of the best belt sanders on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, we hope this guide helps you find the perfect tool to tackle your projects. Don't forget, all the products we reviewed today are linked in the description box and pinned in the first comment for easy access. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more product reviews. Have any questions or favorite tools? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.